Every year around by this time, a major wealth exchange happens. Every year. What do I mean? Poor people get their tax returns. They get their tax returns back from the government, the money that the government has held via their payroll taxes, and they get a fraction of it back. In some cases, poor people get a lot of it back, and guess what they do? Immediately take the money that they've gotten back, which is theirs. The government is not giving you anything other than what's yours and taking it and handing it over to wealthy companies and wealthy people. What happens? Get the money, you take it, immediately go buy a TV. You just gave your money, the money has just exchanged, the government has saved it for you throughout the year, and now you have taken it and given it over to wealthy companies. And the government in turn tax those companies, but give them tax breaks because they collect payroll taxes. See, it's all one big cycle. You have to understand that you are the greatest commodity that companies have and your government have. You're a taxpayer and you're a consumer at the same time. If you was not a taxpayer and if you was not a consumer, the companies would fail and your government would too. So you have a lot of power. Today, look, check this out right here. Take your money this year. Instead of going to buy that TV, instead of purchasing that car, putting that new set of tires. Hey, if you need a new set of tires, get your new set of tires. But instead of running out buying those shoes that you want, this year, how about you take the money and invest in yourself? Decide that, you know what, I will no longer participate in this wealth exchange. And it's a mass exodus of wealth, not from the black, not from the white, not from the Irish or the Catholics or the Chinese or no, it's from the ignorant to the smart, from the ignorant to the wealthy. Listen, if you get some money back this year, use that money to create a stream of revenue for yourself. This is the beginning right now. Your government has saved a fraction of your money for you. And you can take that big guap of money and decide that I'm gonna go and I'm gonna purchase me some knowledge. I'm gonna purchase me a franchise. I'm gonna start me a hustle. I'm gonna do something with it, but I refuse to take my money and hand it to wealthy corporations and wealthy people. Today, create multiple streams of income for yourself. It's Larry, man. Look, you need your hustle. I'll talk to you next time. Peace.